Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find app management. Let's tap. Then we have to tap on special app access. And at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so install unknown apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. And let's pretend I'd like to download the app from the Chrome. So just tap on it and tap on the switcher next to allow from this source. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content, a specific app. And be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.